Welcome back to the channel everybody, and welcome to Ninh Binh. Known as one of the most beautiful areas of northern Vietnam, a UNESCO World Heritage Site nicknamed Ha Long Bay on land. Join me as we find out what it's really like to take a boat trip here and down.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
And what else you can expect from a day trip to this beautiful part of Vietnam.
You're rewarded with amazing views, so 100% worth it coming up here. Alright, we've made it to Ninh Binh, doing a day tour today from Hanoi. It's actually only 2 hours from Hanoi. Here it's all about the scenery, the beauty, all the limestone cliffs. But we're going to do a boat trip now. See the limestone cliffs, see the viewpoint, see some caves. And then I'll give you my conclusion at the end of the video. And I'll tell you if I recommend it or not. Let's go and do the boat trip now.
Right.
Okay.
So keep going to that side, my friends. Right.
Okay.
4 person, 1 boat.
Okay.
4 guys over here. And last 4 over here.
Right, look at the number of boats. I think I need a life jacket. Right, let's enjoy this boat trip. Now, after a bit of a chaotic start, if I'm honest, and the sheer number of boats travelling through, it pretty much took away from what we expected would be a serene and peaceful boat trip. But as the trip went on, we drifted away from a lot of the boats we started the journey with, and at points, the sheer scale of the cliffs, the incredible greenery, and the feeling of being surrounded by nature made us forget that the other boats were even there. Boat tour, they take you through 3 different caves, and this 320 meter cave was by far our favourite. Head down.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh god, I'm headed right forward.
This is cool. This is so cool. Perfect. Oh no. Right, heads down then. Heads down, people.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, and there's some sort of flying bug.
Now the boat trip in total was 1 hour and 45 minutes, where we did a loop around the area of Ninh Binh known as Trang An, and ended up back where it all started, the chaos of the departure point. You need to be very skillful to get off this boat. How are you feeling?
I can't believe you're holding that.
And your bag?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Oh my
They're
god.
massive.
Oh my god.
Amazing.
Right.
Someone's feeding them.
Go on.
Right, swivel, swivel. Right, one motion. Here we go. Look at that.
Thank you.
Come on. Breathtaking scenery. If you've got back problems, it's probably not the one for you. I just about got away with it, I think. But I think the only thing that spoilt it for me a little bit was the number of boats. You saw how many boats there were. but actually when you start getting away from all the boats, it starts calming down a bit, and then you can actually relax and appreciate it. But yeah, it's amazing. We're going to go to Halong Bay as well. That's going to be in the next video. But for now, we've got a couple more places to see. The pagoda, and then there's the dragon all the way up the mountain.
You can see the Dragon Mountain. Only one way for going up and going down. But remember, when you're in the middle, have a two way you can see. On the left hand side, you can see the way up to the top. See the Dragon Mountain. I see the huge dragon stone statue, Lady Buddha Tower. Beautiful view with the sunset there. On the right hand side, you can visit the small tower. But I need to tell you first, there's a small tower. Have nothing to see, nothing to do. You can highly recommend you visit on the left hand side, the way up to the top first, and on the way back you think about it. If you want, you can visit on the right hand side too.
It's absolutely gorgeous around here. I wasn't expecting this at all. There's a beautiful lotus farm just to our right here. I forgot to accessorize. There we go, that's better. Right, we're gonna head up 500 steps up to see this dragon. You can see it from here. It looks daunting, but we're gonna do it. We've got an hour and a quarter until we have to get back to the bus. So it can't be that difficult to get up and down, surely. All right. So if you've seen my Petra video, that was 800 steps. This is 500. Can't be that difficult. It won't be as difficult as Petra, definitely. That's way too busy up here. Way too busy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a drone shot here so you can see what the top's like without so many people. The view's incredible, but there's just so many people at the moment. So crowded up there. You can't even step foot upstairs, but it's worth the climb up here. The last few steps are tricky, they're quite steep, but it's fine. Just I think the heat doesn't help. But it's definitely worth it once you're up top.
Now, we didn't quite make it to the tower you can see in the distance there, which probably had equally stunning views. But we did manage to catch the beautiful sunset and slowly make our way back down for a bit of a debrief. Final tips from me is if you can go not in a group, go for sunrise in the morning with a private guide, and I'm pretty sure it'll just be empty and you'll have a bit more freedom to do what you want to do. So in the morning they picked us up at 7:30, then we got to a temple. We spent about an hour and a half in the temple, and then they took us for lunch. But actually I'd have preferred it if the day started after lunch, seeing the beautiful nature of Ninh Binh, seeing what Ninh Binh's all about, the scenery. It's all about the scenery and the nature. All the other stuff, well, it's nice, but actually it's all about the boat ride and making it up to the viewpoint up here, even though there's too many people. And that's why I'd definitely say come in the morning, start early, and you'll get a much better experience than we did. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.